Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I'm gonna explain how to open a bank account in Germany. So if you are an international student, this particular bank account, Berliner Sparkasse, was one of the popular bank institution in Germany, and you can find ATM almost everywhere of this particular bank. Okay, so in this video I'll be like within 10 minutes I got my account, so I'll be explaining how I got my account. So it will be very easy for you when you come here, how you can go and get it actually. Okay, so this is the document they give after completion of your account. So there are 2 to 3 papers with your IBAN number. IBAN is your account number, and there is a BIC number. So usually the transactions here you need that. Okay, and some online login details also they will give here. Okay, and also they will install 2 applications of Sparkasse into your mobile, and they will do it by themselves. Okay, so let's see how I started this particular thing and how I done it actually. So before you go to open a bank account in Germany, there are 3 documents you needed. One is your Anmeldung certificate or city registration. It usually says in city registration what happened once you get an accommodation in Germany. So with that accommodation they will give you a contract, and then when you submit that they will give a city registration details, like you are staying in so and so place, and all the communications will be sent to your that address only, like your tax ID and whatever thing actually. So in Germany it's mandatory, you have to register with your accommodation within 14 days. Okay, so that is one thing. That is a one document, Anmeldung certificate you needed. Second thing is your passport with visa. So they will check the visa details and all. They take copies of all these things, but you don't have to bring the copy. They will get it done by their office itself. That is one thing you can do. And third thing is your university enrollment certificate, actually, certificate or student ID or something that they usually refer actually. So they want to ensure that you are a student or something. Okay, so let's see how I got my account in within 10 minutes, the entire process. First thing, in online you can book an appointment to the bank. So in Germany what happens, most of the thing you can take an appointment, but if you are lucky, when you can directly walk into any branch, which I have did. So you will get a appointment directly there. On that, if slot is available, you will get there itself. Okay, so what I did, I went to when you enter the Sparkasse bank, so there is a kiosk, so different things you can pick up actually. So what I did was I clicked on a private account actually. Okay, open a private account, then there will be a please take a seat and all they will mention. Then there is a launch, you have to wait there, and in screen this particular symbol will come, and what happens with the symbol, there is a counter number will also, the counter number 3, 2, 4 something, anything will be there. Then when it shows, you have to go to the counter along with the documents. Okay, so they allotted me an English speaking counter, so that was very helpful, and they were really patient always smiling. So that is a very wonderful experience in opening a bank account in here, I can say that, with less paperwork. So I got this thing, then my number came, then I went to the desk actually. So what he did, he took my documents like Anmeldung certificate, enrollment details, and as well as passport and visa. He was verifying it. Okay, so and he was doing all the form. And usually in India what we have to do, we have to fill the form. Here he was filling every form, and that's online only, completely digital process only. And he told me to check all the details once he filled, like your name is proper, your address is proper, all that kind of stuff actually. And I only have to sign 3 signature. That is also digital signature, like it's kind of, there is a digital pad like welcome pad, you have to sign there. So only 3 signature I have it. In India you have to like put a lot of signature, and everything is very transparent and clear, you can see it here. So after I done that, what he's done that, so there are 3 different like plans are available for students, he was saying. So one is for the 2.95 euro plan. In that plan what happens that the monthly you have to pay 2.95 maintenance. It is very less. If I went to some of the commerce bank or something, they told that international premium student account you need 30 euros. So compared to that, it's very less, and there are different details are given about will be the charges. And second is 4.95 euro, and there is a card for if you want a debit card, Sparkasse card, so you need a 12 euro extra you have to pay. Here is mentioned that. Like that, there is a 4.95 euro plans. There also he suggested me to take this, and I took that. And this amount will be like debited after 1 month or something. You don't have to pay anything upfront actually. So 12 euro for the card. This is a premium plan, so that will be like 8.95. So the card is free, but 8.95 is a quite big amount for a monthly thing. So this is the plan. So anyway, I'll put this plan details in my video description. From there you can check it out. Okay, so that was one thing he done. Okay, so after everything filled up, the next thing what is done, I will just show you. So here you can see two applications, Sparkasse and Pushtan actually. Okay, so Pushtan is a one-time thing. So if you get like for the password or something when you do a transaction, it appears there. And there's a Sparkasse thing. So there are two things they have said. That one is your PIN, your like ATM pin, like minimum 5 characters they are asking, 5 numbers or something, and then you have to put a password for your application password. It's normal when you open an application password in India also, that is also look the same. So these two applications they installed, and they done everything by checking along with me. It was very wonderful, it was very helpful, which I could say. So it was a quick process. So within 10 minutes I came out with my account. And the card, regarding the card, within 1 or 2 days you will be receiving in your like whatever registered address you have given. So it was quite very easy process. I will quickly tell that I went there, I went to the bank, and then I got this particular slip from the counter, like I want to open an account. I waited when my number turns up, I went to the counter, respective counter. He took my Anmeldung, like enrollment certificate and passport and visa. So he take a piece of that, he verified it, he filled it, and he also verified all the things along with me, and he installed both the applications into my thing, and it's I got the IBAN and BSC number. It's like good to go. So this is all about opening a bank account in Germany. It is very easy compared to India and other countries, I guess. So and in the video description you can see most of the important packing list and everything related to Germany. So please do check out. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, I want to add one more thing particularly to this video, that is regarding the Anmeldung certificate. Okay, so that video also I will be in the video description, I will be putting. It is very simple. It's getting an appointment is a little bit difficult process. Then there is also some tips and tricks for getting an appointment, so that I included in the video. There you can refer it. But in the Anmeldung you need a contract from your I'll quickly say that. So it is already interconnected. So once the Anmeldung is for the Anmeldung certificate, you need your contract from wherever you are staying. Your owner will give you that, and then your passport and visa. And there is an Anmeldung form also there, that also I will share in the video description. Only 3 things you need there. You get the slot, you go there within 5 to 10 minutes, that particular activity also done. Okay, so once I got a bank account, now I can unblock my account, like block account, I can say that. When you go to expatriate, there is an option, you have to put the IBAN number as well as BAC number. This is already provided inside. I can show that for security reasons. From there you can easily check it out. That particular thing you have to add in the expatriate portal and then activate it. So it will be on review. I think within 48 hours they will activate it, and there will be fund disbursement will be there. Finally the money will come. So that is a good thing, always a good thing. So that is it. So anything related to Germany, studies, working, everything I'll be putting on with this channel. Please do subscribe and do like and share the video whoever thinks it's necessary. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.